Welcome back to the training session of SmartERP POS. We shall continue towards our next chapter, which is creation of a new product in the system of SmartERP POS. In this chapter we shall cover in details on how to create a new product in the SmartERP POS. To create a new product type, tap on the Product Type option on the Quick Access options. Then tap on the New button at the bottom right of your screen. Then you will be required to select the product type, input the product name, select the VAT code, and input the selling price. You may also attach a picture of the product. Once done, tap on the Save button at the bottom right of the screen. So to summarize this chapter, we have seen how to create a new product in the SmartERP POS system. For more training, visit our YouTube channel or scan the QR code as shown here. Thank you for watching and good luck.